Good morning, children. Hope all are fine. Yes, in our last Zoom class, I explained to you how the energy is transformed from one form to another. With many examples, I told you, children. Okay? Now, children, if I am asking you a question that are all the vehicles that move with petrol or diesel? You all know that vehicles are moving with petrol or diesel. Do they all depend on green plants, children? If I say so, will you accept it? Will you say yes or no? You should say yes. You should. Why? Because now you just look into the flow chart which I have shown here and understand, children. Now, from the sun, using solar energy, the plants prepare food by the process of photosynthesis, and this food is used by the plants as well as the animals. The plants are using their own food, prepared food, as well as the animals are taking their food from the plants. And they grow. Both the plants and animals are growing. Then finally, after many years or whatever it is, the plants and animals die. And when they die, they decay. So when they die and decay, what is formed? It is the fossil fuel. Now, you should understand what is this fossil fuel. Yes, fossil fuels are the dead remains of plants and animals which is getting buried under the soil for many number of years, and then it is converted into many products. I told you, is it not? Now you look into the flow chart, children. What are the products extracted from the fossil fuels you see? Yes, it is coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG. LPG all of you may be knowing. It is liquefied petroleum gas, which is the gas which you are using at home in cylinders, right? You have seen. It is used for cooking purpose. Then you see in the flow chart there is natural gases like natural gas, which is a gas used in automobiles, children, right? Then another is LNG. LNG means liquefied natural gas. Both these gases contain a chemical substance known as methane. So all these details about this natural gases, CNG and LNG, you will study in your higher classes, children. Now don't worry. Now you just understand from the fossil fuels what are the products extracted. Is it not? Again I will repeat. It is coal, petrol, diesel, LPG and natural gases like CNG and LNG. Okay, children? So now you understand how vehicles moving with petrol and diesel, you saw it is a product. Petrol and diesel are the products got from what? Got from the fossil fuels. And how is the fossil fuels formed? Fossil fuels are formed by the dead remains of green plants, right? So if the vehicles want petrol or diesel, they should get it from the fossil fuels. And if the fossil fuel should be formed, the green plants should die and decay. So now you understand, children, how the vehicles are also depending on the green plants, is it not? From the fossil fuels only petrol and diesel is extracted. So if the vehicles has to move, they need petrol and diesel, which they get from the green plants when they die and decay. Is it clear to you, children? Is that point clear to you? Now follow the flow chart carefully and understand the details. Certain clippings also I am showing. You just follow. Okay. Next you see, children. Next again I have shown another flow chart. And just follow it. First you see the generator is working. How is the generator working? I told you in the Zoom class itself, I told you. How is the generator working? Generator is working with the help of petrol or diesel. Right, children? And when the generator works, we say what energy is produced? Yes, it is mechanical energy that is produced. And this mechanical energy is transformed into heat, electrical energy and sound energy. So when the generator is working with petrol or diesel, whatever it is, it has to work. And when it works, what are the energies produced? Heat energy, electrical energy and sound energy. Now, I am asking you, are we using all this heat and sound energy produced by the generator? No, we use only the electrical energy. See, whenever we need energy from the generator, we are getting this electrical energy. So, for what are we using this electrical energy? We are using this electrical energy for working many electrical appliances like what? Like mixie or fan or bulb or fridge or TV and so on. Right? Now, again in this flow chart you see children, when a mixer grinder is working, I told you what are the energies produced? Heat energy is produced, sound energy is produced and mechanical energy. The mixie is moving. So that movement is mechanical energy. Right? And it is also producing heat as well as sound energy. But are we using the heat and sound energy produced by the mixer? No. We need only the mixie to move. That is mechanical energy in order to grind the chutney or whatever it is. Right? So we use only the mechanical energy when a mixer is working. Right? Then you see fan is working. Fan is working. When fan is working, what are the energy produced? I told you it is the heat energy produced, sound energy and also the fan is moving, mechanical energy. So what are we in need of? We are in need of only the mechanical energy, that is the fan movement by which we get air, right? So we use only the mechanical energy of the fan, whereas heat and sound energy we are not using. Heat energy and sound energy produced by the fan is not used by us. Then you see into the next example children. The bulb is glowing. So when the bulb is glowing, you get light as well as heat. When the bulb is glowing for a longer time children, if you just go touch, you shouldn't touch it. But after offing the light, after switch offing the light, if you just go touch it, you will feel the hotness. So is that hotness used by us? No. We are using only the light energy produced by the bulb. Right children? So though they produce more types of energy, we are using only whatever is needed. And to conclude, what did we understand children? Energy can be transformed in generator. What happens? The chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy first. Then when the generator is working, it is converting or it is giving sound energy, heat energy and electrical energy. And that electrical energy is used by us for various electrical appliances. Did you understand children? So follow the flow chart carefully, understand the process, look into the clippings, follow it. Okay? Okay then children. Bye. Thank you.